Good morning, my little passengers, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Z, and you guys are riding the Z train. Today we're back with another video, and I'm excited for this one. I got half my nails chopped off, but don't worry, I'm gonna get them done. I'm just terrible at keeping my nails. Anyways, that's not what the video is about. This video is trying out TikTok fashion hacks. Yes, so I looked up about maybe like 7, 8 videos, screen recorded them so I can put them along the side so you can see what I'm talking about. I have a bunch of clothes to try the hacks on. I'm excited. So there's one that has like 5 different trends. Probably do that later on. However, the first one I'm gonna do is for pants. So I can have pants on for this video. I have pants on right now, but the pants I want to wear. Okay, let's do that. Here she's doing like when the waist is like too big, so in order to like adjust it without sewing it or poking a hole somewhere. And I've seen some where you can poke the hole inside, but I don't trust myself with doing that. So we are gonna do what she's doing with the tie. So let's do that. These pants on, right? Mom jeans. But the problem is, when I bought them, I thought they would fit. They don't let you try things on at the stores anymore. It's a guessing game. So I figured this would help. So that's what we're gonna do. So we are going to do what she did, and what she did was she put it through these hoops.
I'm struggling.
That was so hard, but look at the difference. Okay, snatched. I guess like this part right here is a little poofy, right? But we love this. Ooh. Super cute. I love them. Let me see if I can give you a better angle. Well, that was number 1. I like it. This is what I'm gonna vibe out with. Maybe do a little roll up the bottoms. Okay, the next one I saw was this one. So I have a tank top to use for that. And I'm gonna show you like this way just because I do have, I'm gonna have to take my bra off for the one, but it's all good. So let me try that out. What I did was cross under, I think, hopefully. We'll figure it out. But okay, so what she did was take the side, go under, so this is what it looks like from behind, and this is what it looks like forward. Ooh, are you kidding? This is so nice. Wow, I love. Ooh, the mom jean look. But this is so cute. Why spend money on one that's already made when you can just make a bunch at home with all your tanks? This is a hack. Fierce. Okay, so that was this one. Wow, I'm gonna have to get like boob tape or something, but I love it. Okay, the next one. The next one I'm gonna do is the one where she grabs like a big t-shirt. You see it here, and then like cut. It looks cute. So let's do that. So I got this big t-shirt that I can now make into a crop top, but I'm gonna cut it here, I guess, around there. That should be good, hopefully. I don't really have big titties, so let's try to go for that. So then after she cuts this, I'll show you what I do. But let me cut this first to make sure it's even. bottom of this. Okay, so that took longer than expected. If you're gonna do this, I highly recommend that you have some good quality scissors because these were not it. However, now we have this little hoop and then this little string, and I think she also cut this like so. Okay, so she had it like so, and then put one. We love this. Take this off and then see what it looks like. Okay, I think I did it. So this is it. It's cute. And then behind, it's like so, tied up. It did take a lot of time though, but it's cute. I'm gonna give it a C+ because of all the work I had to go through. But cute. We love this. Fashionista. Fashion Nova who? All right, on to the next one. So I'm actually going to use the same string for the next one in hopes that it works. In the video, this is what she's doing. And so that's exactly what I'm gonna do here. However, I'm going to do it not looking at you guys because, and then this will be a different kind of video. That same string, and I went through the shoulder hoops and then through the shirt, and then you pull, and then you tie it behind. Something like that. It's not the best because like it is a little clumpy up here, but probably because of the string I chose. However, it's cute. Yes. And it's dance approved. This is that one. Cool. All right, I think I'm done with all the string shit. We are going to get into a button down and how to style that. So I actually have this button down that I thrifted. So cute. However, don't know how to style it, so I've only worn it once, and I did like the normal like front tie, but I just didn't know what to do. So let me show you what this girl is doing right there. Ooh, this is a vibe. Businesswoman. Huh. She went and tied two, I believe. Not have this shirt on. Then she went behind and tied that with a scrunchie. Tuck in. Whew. Yes. Oh. This is cute. I like this. Okay. Feeling it.
Bitch, why are you still dancing?
All right, well, speaking of like button downs, this one video that I'm gonna show you now has 5 different styles. So that's what we're gonna do now with the flannel. So let me put on a bra and then get into that one. We have the flannel and a bra. So now we're gonna do, I don't know if I'm gonna do all of them, but She has 5 of them. So the first one we're gonna do is just tie or button this up. Move here. And then she opened it up. But at the same time, my shirt is not as big as hers. So, oh, all right, I think I got it. That was harder than it seemed. But look, it's cute. Bow. Yeah, so this is really cute. Love it. So then the next one. All right, so I think she tucks this in here, right? And then I think she like crosses behind and then goes behind and then ties it, but just gonna tuck it in as so. And it's cute. Yes, we love it. Cute. Feeling it. Cool. Wear the same shirt 7 days a week with 7 different styles. Boom. No one will know.
Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know?
Okay, all right, so then the next one is a simple button. Yes, work. If you like the oversized look, this is it. Alrighty, then she has 2 more, but I think we're good on the flannel. So, period, we love it. All right, so now I'm gonna show you one of my styles. Sometimes when I have like a nice shirt, so I have this cover up. This is gonna be my hack, mine. So no one take it. Ooh, this is a vibe. Doctor? Yes, for the fashion. Okay, so this here, if you have like a nice tank or something like that and you have this cover up, I got this off of Amazon, I'll link it down below. But yeah, so it's a see-through, and if you'd like to like, you know, summertime vibes but want to cover up and have a little bit of a layer, this is what you're gonna do. So what I usually do, the first thing I do is cross, and then you can either have it like this. This is great, we love this, classic. However, if you do a little under boob tuck with the crossing, gives you a subtle layer, because then it's like you're wearing something underneath there. But this is what stole the show. So that is something I've been doing. Then the last thing is, I actually saw this one. This is not my idea. This is TikTok. But I think she went in her here and then crossed it. So then it makes it seem like it's a part of the bra. But it's cute. Layering it up. So you see how I went under and then cross? That's good. Because sometimes it unravels, so I think this is so it can stick, but you can still do the same style. Cool? Yes. All right, and then one last thing that I've been doing is tucking it in the side, as so. So you can give you like a cross layer, but you can also see what you're wearing under. And it's like businesswoman, classy woman, boss ass bitch. So So that is all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure to smash that thumbs up button, comment down below, tell me which one was your favorite, and if you have tried it out. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that push notifications button, because you know I post 2 times a week and you don't want to miss it. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, bye! Choo choo!